Well, hello mariners. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to have a discussion on the chart work that is on the basic that we are going to that comes on our second meta MMD written examination. We will discuss it point by point and what are the topics that in examination they normally used to ask, and also we will see one of the example for each. Guys, please be till end and watch the entire video. Do subscribe my channel and like this video too. The topics that we are going to discuss is running fix, horizontal angles, vertical sextant angle, transferred position circle, three position bearing. So these are the normal topics that comes for our second mid written examination, and outside of this there is nothing to read except for the passage planning. So the first is running fix. This is one of the very basic and very simplest type of chart work. Mostly in examination they don't ask such small type of numericals, but yeah, this is a very important to clear your doubts for further example. Running means while we are doing a certain course, we find out any certain position on a certain lighthouse, we found out a certain bearing, and after certain time, 1 hour, half an hour, we again find something that bearing is our this much. So basically we have to find our position, the previous position and the second position. Let have a discussion of a running fix by an example. Guys, this is one example for the running fix. Let's have a look. While steering a course of 0702 true, star point light bearing 009 degree true at 2200 hour. At the same lighthouse bearing is itna at 2300 hour. Find the ship position at 220 hours at 230 hours. This is a very simple example. So what is saying that there is a lighthouse at 2200 hour. Lighthouse is bearing. What I have done is bearing is 00 right, so that I had put the bearing at it's like at 2300. Again I have taken a bearing from the lighthouse and I had plotted a bearing of 299 degree. Now what I have done, I have as per the question I am doing a 070 true course, that is from the first bearing anywhere on that bearing I had drawn a course of 070. Okay, so now it is intersecting the both lines, but the main thing we have to remember that the entire process is for 1 mile. So by next step will be my ship speed is doing of 12 knots. So from the first position I will take a compass and I will cut off for the 12 miles. So here I had cut my 12 miles. Now what I have to do here, I have to transfer my first bearing, that is 009, to this, divided by 12 mile, that is for 1 hour how much I had traveled. So now I had traveled, so the transferred line has cut the second bearing for the lighthouse at this position. So this is my position for 2300 hour, and I will apply the back course, and I have applied my back course that is parallel to the previous course, that is AB, and after applying the course I had get my 2200 hour position. So this is my initial position and this is my final position. Guys, let's move to our next point, that is our next topic, that is horizontal sextant angle, that is HSA. So the first point arises in our mind is how we will find that this question is as per the HSA or it's some other kind of. If the ship's compass heading course is not given and the compass bearing of lighthouse is given, then it is of HSA method. Then we have to solve it by HSA method. Means simply ki if the ship's compass head, means of ship's course heading is not given and the compass bearing of the lighthouse is given, then it is a HSA method. And if the ship compass heading is given and the bearing of lighthouse is given, then it is not a HSA method. Okay guys, so what we will do by the HSA method, so the side of a ship position can be found by roughly plotting the compass bearing or in the position to the land. So when 3 compass bearing are given, first arrange a lighthouse compass bearing from the port to starboard in a clockwise direction with respect to the position. Then find the difference, that is HSA, between the first and second bearing, and also join that 2 lighthouse and do the same things for the 3 lighthouse. So basically this entire HSA method is on that topic only. To find out our first, means 3 lighthouse will be always given. That is the simplest, because we need to find out our position. So well, now let's move to point number A, if it's a SSM method. So if theta is less than 90 degree, then we have to draw the angle 90 minus theta. First 2 lighthouse is given. Okay, so simply first we will, means 3 lighthouse given, so first we will join our 2 lighthouse, and if third one is given, then we have to join that. So let's understand in a very simple way. Now we have to do 90 minus theta, that is we will do 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. If theta is less than, means angle, means the bearing whatever it is given is less than 90 degree. Now towards the C position and center of PC will the intersection of the 2 angle of that. So we will do 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, whatever we will angle, we get the angle, we will draw that angle, and wherever it will intersect, that will be the our center. And by taking this as a center from here to this, and we will measure this, it has to be equal, and we will consider this as a center, and from this we will draw a circle. Okay, and the same thing, if the third lighthouse is given, we will do the same thing for that, and another circle will drawn. Wherever this both circle will intersect, that will be our C position. So this is a condition for if HSA is less than 90. Now let's look at it here. Now if HSA, that is bearing, is greater than 90, then we have to draw theta minus 90 on the opposite side of the ship. Means this is your ship side, that we will easily get from that whether this is a land, where side it is sea. So we have to do this on the opposite side. Okay, if theta, that is your bearing, is greater than 90 degree, and we will do 90 minus theta, and again same, taking the C as a center, we will draw the circle, and for other lighthouse we will do, and from that method we will get our position. Now if HSA is equals to 90 degree, then it's a very simple way. We will we will join our both lighthouse, and we will take the entire with a compass, and we will cut on the both side from both the lighthouse, and the center of this lighthouse, the center of the lighthouse, that will be our position C. At the side, which side it is off, we will take this as center, and we will again draw the circle. So basically till point number 3 only, it's normally in our examination do come, but this is also a type of things, that is HSA is if theta is 0, that is, for example, say that lighthouse, the bearing of this lighthouse is 300, and the bearing of lighthouse B is also 300, then we will get HSA is equals to 0. If HSA is 0, then we will get PL, and the intersection of PL will be our position. Now for same HSA of is equals to 180, again we will get the same PL only, nothing much. So well guys, let's move to our next topic, that is vertical sextant angle. So vertical sextant angle, what is this? So it is a method by which we get our ship position, that is how far actually we are right now from the particular lighthouse. So it's nothing much, there is only a formula that we need to remind at all time. This is a very simplest method. This is not a method, it's a combined, when the papers with the numericals come in our examination, this is the method we use to calculate our position. So this is a formula we have to remember, that distance of, that is if the height of the object is given in feet divided by sextant altitude into 0.565, and if the height of the object is given in meter, then by multiply we will 1.854, we will get the distance of. Let's move to our point number 4, that is type 4, transfer position circle. So we will see it by an example. So by the naming it is clear that what we are going to transfer our circle, position circle. So well, let's see it by an example. At 1400 hour, Anvil Point lighthouse was 7 mile off by radar at 1515 hour. Bill of Portland was 8 mile by radar. During this period, the vessel steamed a course of Itna. So find the vessel position at 1400 and 15. So it is very clear. It is very simple. So what we have to do is, that is this is our first lighthouse. This is our second lighthouse. So as per question, it is saying that the first lighthouse was 7 mile off. Then what we will do? We will just draw a circle to the seaside from that lighthouse of 7 mile. From B we will do the same. Okay, now from A we will consider that vessel is not in the sea, the vessel is at the lighthouse only. So from A, that is from the lighthouse, Anvil Point lighthouse, we will steer the course whatever it is saying, that is 254. Okay, now we have drawn that course. Now as per that we will consider that how much time difference, that is it is for 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 hour for 15 minutes we will cut an arc from here to here, that is at least how much it has covered. So we had calculated and I had got the point B. Okay, now here what I have to do, after taking B as a center, I will cut the 7 mile arc. Basically what I am doing right now, I am just considering that point B is my point A, that is first lighthouse. Considered B as a first lighthouse, I will cut an arc of 7 mile. Okay, that I've done by roughly, so I got it here. It may be somewhere here or anywhere. So okay, so I had cut it here. So this is my final position. That is final position means this is my position of 151 hour. Now I will draw a reverse course of 254 and I will get my position at 1400 hour, that is parallel to this AB. So this is the way there is transfer position circle. And guys, if you need more numericals to be solved by B or any other solution, please feel free to comment, because on the basis of your comments only I will come to know that really you guys need something and I will work on it. So guys, I need response guys. So well, now our fifth type, that is 3-point bearing. So this is also we will learn by an example only. So at 100 hour, Bill of Portland lighthouse bearing itna, and at 1040 hour it bearing was itna, and at 11 itna hour the same lighthouse was itna. The vessel during the time steamed at uniform speed, that is 50 knot. Find the CMG of the ship. So here we have to find our CMG. That what is the course bed good. So for this is a lighthouse and we will draw our first course, that is 310 to the lighthouse. I'm sorry, bearing. The second lighthouse bearing, that is 00, and the third timing bearing, that is our 040. Okay, it's very simple, no need to confuse. We will just simply draw the 3 bearings whatever given in the question, as per the question. Okay, now next thing what we have to do, we have to draw a perpendicular line to center one. To the center of the bearing we have to draw a perpendicular line passing through that lighthouse. Okay, now I have taken it as a 7 miles and here is a 10 mile and here is a 7 mile. This is I have taken as because I have taken the time, I have considered the timing that from A to B for how much minute I had traveled. So I will mark it here from the center of the lighthouse. I will mark that 10 mile I have traveled from the timing, that is 1000 hour to, that is for 40 minutes I have traveled for 10 miles, and from 1040 to 1110 I have traveled for this, means this for 30 minutes I have traveled for 7 miles. Okay, now after doing this much things, what I have to do, where I have cutted the 7 miles position, from there I will draw a perpendicular line downwards. I would say a line to the downwards which is parallel to the BC, and wherever this line will cuts this line and this line, that will be our position, that is position at 1110 will be here, and this is for it. And after joining this line G and F, I will get my course bad good. So well guys, this is a very basic, very simple things without applying current leeway. So guys, if you want to solve with that kind of question after applying a current and leeway, please feel free to comments on the video and I will work on it and I will make another video for you guys. Till time, thank you and Jai Hind. Do subscribe the channel.